These are dandelion leaves, and these plants belongs to edible plants, and you can cook this one for a side dish, or you can make also salad. So these are leaves of dandelion and leaves, and this there is flowers of this one, purple, and there is also yellow. This is leaves of yellow flowers of dandelion, but no more flowers here. So we go another, and this is also dandelion leaves of yellow flowers. Here there is also here. This one. This is yellow flowers of dandelion leaves, and this one also leaves of dandelion. Then you can cook also same with purple colors of dandelion. This one, and also there is also here. Yeah, this one, and leaves of dandelion yellow and purple is the same, and there is more here. This one, dandelion leaves, and this one also dandelion leaves of yellow flowers. Then here, and this one, dandelion leaves yellow colors. Yan siya, yan oh. And more here, and this purple color of dandelion, but this is already very old. Plants here, these are examples of dan this also dandelion leaves here, purple colors of dandelion. Also this one, very nice flowers of dandelion, purple. And this dandelion leaves and flowers, you can, what you call this especially flowers, you can use for tea, or these leaves also you can use for tea, and these roots, especially this yellow flowers of dandelion, you can use for tea. Yan. This one no more already flowers here. Yan, this also dandelion leaves. Yan. We remove already here too much before here in our lawn, but now no more. My husband he removed 2 days ago. Yan, this is also dandelion leaves with flowers. Yan. So these are examples of leaves of yellow flowers of dandelion, and this is purple. It's similar leaves, and you can cook together this one, these leaves, and also these flowers you can use for tea.